Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm going to talk about CD4017 IC. It is a decade counter. A decade counter, also known as a module 0 to 10 counter. It is a digital circuit that counts from 0 to 9 and then resets to 0. It repeats the sequence, which can operate 3 volt to 18 volts. This IC has 16 pins. For bashing, pin number 16 is for positive volt and pin number 8 is for ground. And you see 1 to 7 and 11 to 9. These 10 pins are for output, and pin number 15, 14, 13, 12 is for controlling the IC. Pin number 15 is master reset, 14 is clock, and 13 is clock enable, and 12 is for carry out. I have used here 10 LEDs for 10 outputs, and I have used one resistor in ground, as this IC will give us one output at once, so we can use just a quarter watt resistor here. And if we use the resistor in positive, then we had to use 10 resistors. So instead of that, I have used one resistor. That is enough. And you see, as we don't need now clock enable and master reset pin, so we should connect it with ground to avoid unwanted trigger. And you see, in clock pin I have used a button, a push button, to give here a clock, and must use a pull down resistor to avoid unwanted triggering. You can use here a 555 IC or microcontroller for clock. I'm going to play it. You see, while you propagate the IC, then by the output 0 will 1 by default. So this is it, the output 0 is now 1, and I didn't use anything here with the pin number 12. It is carry out pin. When we need to cascade this IC, then we have to use this carry out pin. Later on I'll try to show you how to cascade this IC. And now I'm going to give clock pulse here. You see, the output is changing. When it reaches to LED 10, then it will roll back to LED 1. Now let's learn another thing, how to pause the output. To pause the output, we have to use this clock enable pin. And I'm going to use another push button here. Let's say I want to pause the output when it reaches in output 3. You see, now it is in output 3, and I want to hold this position. You see, I have given here now positive, and output is not changing. And when I release the hold button, then the output will change again. You see, the output is changing. Let's say I want 3 outputs and then I want to back to 0. Then what to do? Then from the output number 4, we can connect it with master reset, and then it will reset and it will roll back to 0. I mean roll back to output 1. You see, this is not proceeding after output 3. It is rollbacking over and over again. This was all in short about the decade counter CD4017. I hope you like the video. Inshallah, very soon I'm going to make another video regarding how to cascade this IC. Till then, take care everybody. Allah Hafiz.